Hello everyone, this is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. Thank you for watching this video. I just want to quickly introduce some books that I got to you. Here are some books that I got on Amazon. The first one is Microplating Pattern, The Beauty of Simplicity. That was the first book that I wrote. And then the next book I wrote was the Apply Microplating Patterns right here, From Simplicity to Beautiful. And then I wrote this book, and I think another book on machine. And the latest book, the one I want to talk about today, is about the pulsating microplating a new method. Okay, so it is in the Kindle store, Amazon Kindle store. So this is the latest book. In this book, I will show you how to make a pulsating device to do microplating. I have tested this out, but I hope that you can buy this book and read it, and you can make your own device and help test out the device further. I think there's a lot of improvement to be made, and I hope you read the book, enjoy it, and just send me suggestions or recommendation or whatever. I would really appreciate that. Okay. Again, this is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. You can go to Amazon. If you go on Amazon, and then you can search, you just type in David Nguyen microplating, okay, and then you would see it, David Nguyen microplating. Okay, if you search like that, it would show up. You see here are my books: Microplating Patterns, Apply Microplating Patterns. This is my, here the new one down here, and this one here, you see. All right, so well, thank you so much for watching this video. Well, thank you for your support. Again, this is David Nguyen from Eyebrows Academy. Thank you and goodbye.